goggle person.
Okay, pump.
I'm a googly-eyed person. Ow.
Pump, one more pump. Here, hold this. Okay, people. Last time. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna kill him. No! Bad boy!
Oh, it fell. That didn't hit your leg. That hit your butt. It was not that far off target. Don't yell at me, please.
Okay, last time. Real quick.
Ow, that hurt my arms. I'm Mr. Goggle Man that can play a song. Hey, that's music. Whoa, cool.
Then we gotta go home so I can get my stuff. My mom is freaking out. Okay. Pump as fast as you can, man. Okay, it's good. Pump up, pump up, pump. Just push it there. Here you go. Okay, ready to see me get hit again?
Hopefully.
Hit my back.
That's not good.
It hit me right here. Oh my god. Okay, I'll make a video showing the bruise.
Right now, here.
Yeah, no, later. Okay, bye.